Collector's just outside of Canberra near Goulburn, and we're going there today for a pumpkin festival that SJ heard about last year.
Well, I went to it last year. It was fantastic.
What types of food did you have there?
They had pumpkin scones, pumpkin bread, pumpkin soup, which was delicious, pumpkin tarts, which was really yummy. It was a long line for, but yeah, it was really a good day. So I'm quite excited.
I just remember the fudge that you brought me back last year.
Oh yes.
Which that's what I'm probably mostly excited for. They actually had a really nice watermelon fudge.
TJ doesn't like pumpkin, so
yeah, I'm not big on pumpkin. I do like pumpkin seeds though, like baking them as like.
They do sell pumpkin seeds.
Are they salted?
I don't know.
That's important.
Maybe. Now there's a lot of people. We found parking on the side of the street. It was $10 an adult to come in, and we paid by EFTPOS. You can pay cash or EFTPOS. They sell pumpkin over here, but usually there's heaps, but by the end of the day there's none. So you have to come a bit earlier. Don't come right at the end of the day because there's nothing left. So $3 for pumpkins, $5 for the big ones. Might have to buy a few today. We parked pretty close by actually, so it shouldn't be too hard. Shouldn't be too hard to take home. So I'll buy 10 and you can carry it all.
Yep.
A lot of shops here. Let's see what else we buy. We are eating our pumpkin soup, Collector, and it is delicious.
So this was SJ's main reason for coming here today, is she's deeply in love with this pumpkin soup.
Yum! Freshly made.
It's really impressive. It's a 155 kilo pumpkin. And it's huge.
And
that'll be 19, thank you.
Is that the pumpkin pie?
That's the sweet one. And new to this year is a maze for the kids. Most kids are too tall to see over the walls.
Scarecrows that have pumpkins as their heads.
I took some photos of the ones up there.
These are the rules.
I didn't realise.
Scenes. If a bird lands on your scarecrow, it will be disqualified, supposedly. With the amount of people here, I don't think that there would be any. Oh, it's a cute little face. Looks like E.T.'s face. They're all stuffed with hay. holding a pumpkin. Pretty interesting scarecrows. Crazy crow.
Come on.
This is the pumpkin potter and the deathly marrows. This is the line for warm pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pies that were $3.50 each. These are warm with cream on top. Good. car park now. There's car spaces all around here. This is what was this street? George Street?
Yep, George Street.
Which is right next to the festival.